Chapter 24, let's take a tour. Now I'm going to go off script here just in the beginning. You know, we have so many amazing companies and people come to visit FastCap. And I've created a criteria or checklist for people who want to come see us. For example, we had the Amish come out and see us. It was incredible. We had 12 to 15 Amish people with their children, brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, touring around our facility. It was incredible. Unfortunately, we couldn't take any pictures because they don't allow that. But it was really special to see them come out and want to learn. They came all the way from Illinois. We've had huge aerospace giants like Bombardier. Amazon has been to our facility 3 times and is coming again. Toyota, the ones who developed the whole lean concept, essentially, the modern day lean, actually came to our facility. What an honor. It has really been an amazing journey of how we've become a little bit of a magnet for learning how to build a lean culture from some of the greatest companies in the world. We even had a bank from Europe come over with the president and the CEO and the chairman of the board. They have 70,000 employees, and they're doing a rock and roll good job of building a lean culture. We've been honored to have some really amazing people and companies come to visit us. And this chapter kind of sets the standard for what it takes to come see FastCap. But I want to emphasize here, it's not all about FastCap. It's about collaboration and lean companies working together. So let's get started. Every day I get approximately 3 speaking and tour requests. We now do 24 tours a year, and the requirements are deliberately stiff in order to weed out anyone who is not serious about building a lean culture. We are not teaching how to do lean. We are teaching how to build a lean culture. With so much demand to learn, we had to come up with a lean way to reach as many people as possible. I took my video camera, a Razor scooter, and spent 4 hours of my time producing a video tour. No professional video production crew, just me, my people, a Sony PJ790 camcorder, my Mac, and Final Cut Pro. It was simple, fast, and easy, but it is not perfect. Perfection is for people who want to tell you all the reasons they can't get things done. This video is designed to give an overview of the way we think. We have almost 1,000 videos with over 1 million combined views that are free online and go into all the details of most lean subjects. There are so many companies around the world that are doing a fantastic job of building a lean culture. This year, I interviewed the leaders of those companies at the MAP conference in Indiana. You can find the Lean Roundtable interview at the end of this chapter. Here are 6 of those companies that I love to talk about. Walters & Wolff in California, Xylem Design in Colorado, Climb Easy in the UK, Yellow Tools in Germany, Viking Plastics in Pennsylvania, and OmniDuck in California. These guys are lean leaders, and they are doing an awesome job of building a lean culture. Tour requirements. The CEO must be present. We understand that some organizations are huge, and it is not likely that the CEO would attend the tour. However, like I just said, we've had companies with 70,000 employees globally, and the president as well as the board members have attended the tours many times. We have made exceptions to this stipulation, but only if we are convinced that the leaders attending have the power to build a lean culture successfully. Number 2, attendees must read the book 2 Second Lean. Now, I got to tell you, this is no sales pitch to buy my book. Sure, you can buy it in all the normal places, Amazon, Audible, you can get it online, all those things. But the truth of the matter is, 99% of everything FastCap does for lean is free. Go to 2secondlean.com. You can download the Kindle version right now for free. You can download the iPad version. You can download the latest audio version. Many of these versions are available in a multitude of different languages, and we're adding more all the time. We even have a company in Vietnam, a large company with 1,000 employees that is doing 2 Second Lean, and we're thinking seriously about translating it into Vietnamese. It's all free. All the videos are free. There's no subscription base. You don't have to give us your email. You don't have to do anything. Just go on the website and start learning. That's the way we think, because we believe in paying it forward in gratitude for everything we've learned from Toyota. Number 3, attendees must watch at least 10 of our lean videos in advance. Number 4, be committed to transforming your culture and company to a lean model in 1 year. Number 5, Make 50 improvement videos before and after in the first year. Number 6, set up a public YouTube channel to share what you learn with the world. Number 7, have other businesses tour your facility within 1 year of the FastCap tour. Pay it forward. Number 8, the first thing you will do on the tour is clean our bathrooms. This teaches humility and demonstrates effective processes, 2 of the cornerstones of lean. Why FastCap gives lean tours? We have benefited so much from learning the Toyota production system, it's our way of giving back. We want others to receive the same benefit we have in building a strong business climate throughout the world. Toyota openly taught us 50 years of experience for free, so we are paying it forward and doing the same thing. Our people get better at lean when we teach it. Our people feel more rewarded and satisfied when others want to see and experience what we are doing to build a lean culture. FastCap's expectation for people going on the tour. Attendees should come with a clear goal of what they want to achieve. As you learn and implement lean, our expectation is that you pay it forward by teaching others within 1 year of your visit to FastCap. The tour is not for the curious. It is for people who seriously want to learn lean and have made a commitment to take what they learn and implement it. The tour must have senior leaders in attendance, owners, presidents, and CEOs. Others are welcome to join. All attendees must have a commitment to lean.
Don't learn lean, learn how to build a lean culture. Hi, Anthony Golan here, and I work for ODL based in our China office. We are the leading solutions provider for entry door and window glass and blinds between glass products for your home and workplace, to make your environment beautiful and to make your lives better. We started out on our 2-second lean journey in June 2018 and consider ourselves still in the early stages of that journey. I couldn't imagine a workplace without the lean culture we've built to achieve the outcomes for our people, vendors, customers, and stakeholders. People ask me what's the biggest impact you've experienced with your 2-second lean journey and building that culture. Without a doubt, and miles ahead of any other reason, is that our frontline people don't just work in the factory, they own it. They are the custodians, and they own everything that happens within their sphere of influence. We see accountability, pride, and ownership in the workplace. It's the culture that we've built. It's not a book of rules that we follow. If you hadn't realised yet, the first 23 chapters of this book are about building a lean culture, not about learning lean. When you first start out on the 2-second lean journey, some of us can think it's a recipe book for success. Well, it's not. It's a call to action to involve your people and, most significantly, eliminate wasted human potential. See, avoiding the waste of human potential can only be done if you create a lean culture and have that culture start at the ultimate leadership positions of the organisation. That could be your CEO, your president, the COO, CFO, in fact, all of the leadership positions within your organisation. Yes, you will have people that want to learn lean and all the fancy tricks that some traditionally think fit into a lean workplace. Don't discourage that. Make the most of that being the way they tick, the way they learn, and the way they will contribute to your organisation moving forward. But most importantly, the call is to create a culture of empowerment, decision-making, and support for the people around you. You want to make their lives better and for no expectation of anything in return. Only then will you receive the wonderful gift of them helping you to create that culture to make your vendors, your customers, and your family's lives better. Take a risk, involve everyone, put yourself out there. Be humble, be graceful, be grateful. Create collaboration networks, be selfless and pay it forward. And do it all expecting nothing in return. You don't do this by learning lean, you do it by building a lean culture. Thank you.
Getting started after the tour. First of all, lean is easy. Approach it with this mindset and you will have success. Stop making excuses why you can't do it. If you make excuses, you'll never learn or experience lean. Change yourself, change your family, change your street, change your city, change the world. Experience a lean culture by touring other lean companies. Become a part of the lean family of businesses. Get connected. We're all here to help one another. Experience it first. See the benefits with your own eyes, then begin to read, learn, and collaborate with others. Watch all the lean videos FastCap provides and use them as training tools in your morning meeting with your company. Read The Toyota Way, one of the best books ever written. Sign up and listen to weekly broadcasts of the American Innovator and 2-Second Lean email blast. All past shows are available on iTunes as podcasts and on the website. Remember, lean is an endless journey. My hope is that you enjoy your lean journey as much as I've enjoyed mine. As my father always said, life is an adventure.
You've been listening to 2-Second Lean, written and narrated by Paul A. Akers. Go to 2secondlean.com for all the free videos and resources Paul's been talking about, along with some new and improved ideas for your lean journey. That's the number 2secondlean.com. You can also find 2-Second Lean in print and ebook versions as well in a variety of languages. 2-Second Lean, the 3rd edition. Copyright FastCap Press. Thanks for listening.